Today we are unboxing the Killerspin Stilo7 SVR RTG Premium Carbon Fiber Table Tennis Racket. So with it, I bought the paddle polish, rubber cleaning spray and sponge. I bought the side tape to help protect the side of the racket and keep the layers together, but I'm pretty sure it already comes with side tape on it. And then we got a 3-pack of their 4-star tournament balls. So nice balls. There's the racket itself. Comes in this nice case that comes with its own pen, its own Killerspin pen too. It has room for you, so if you're going to tournaments or competitions, you can get signatures here, and you could keep score here, write down the date, whatever you want. And it's like a little silver reflective marker. Its own little place there. And now here's the racket. It's all carbon fiber. It came with side tape on the side of it to help keep the layers together and keep the edge protected. It's pretty heavy for a carbon fiber racket, but it is a lot lighter than all of their other rackets that I've played with. It is the most satisfying part. And this comes with their Nitrix rubber, like most of their paddles come with, which is extremely sticky and tacky to put that spin on whatever shot and serve you want to put it on. From all the reviews I've read, it says it's a very fast playing racket, and that's not surprising considering it's made from a hard material like carbon fiber. So we'll see how it plays here quick. Just return a couple of hits. Yeah, it puts a very nice spin on there. It's a very fast playing racket. Now we'll go over the price of everything, starting with the Stilo7 SVR racket. So this racket itself is $350. Then the paddle rubber cleaning kit is $20. The side tape is $4, and a 3-pack of their 4-star balls are $10. So in total, this was around $380.